You are in week 6 of Oyemi learning, and it is a Math-Matic Monday. We are going to switch gears to a little bit of subtraction, and we're going to practice some skills that we've been doing all this time. So, up here, we're going to use the hundreds chart again. We were using this at the beginning, like during week 1 and week 2. But this time we're going to do less than. Before we were doing more than. So here we have 10 less than 14. Do you remember the secret compass? When I go down, I'm adding 10. Go down on the hundreds chart. When I go up, I'm subtracting 10. Going up on the hundreds chart. When I go to the right, I'm adding 1. And when I go to the left, I'm subtracting 1. So if I want to find 10 less than 14, I want to find 14. I'm going to highlight it. And based on my compass, I'm going to go up to subtract 10, to do 10 less. So here I'm at 14. And if I go up, 10 less would be 4. Now I have 20 less than 44. So I'm going to look here at 44. Highlight 44. And I want to do 20 less. So going up 1 is 10 less. Going up another 1 would be adding another 10, which would be 20 less. So I end up at 24. Here, I want to look at 30 less than 54. So here I'm at 54, right below the 44. 54 is 10 more than 44. But I'd like to do 30 less. So here I'm at 54. I would go 10. Another 10 is 20. And another 10 is 30. So it's pretty interesting that these have the same answers. Because 20 away from 44 is 24. And 30 away from 54 is also 24. Good work. Down at the bottom here, we're going to be ordering numbers counting by 10. So that same pattern of 10. We're focusing on that same pattern of 10. So here I have my ones that are the same. I'm focusing on the tens place. So this one says 42. This one is 52. So next would be, you've got it, 62. And then I would put here, what would go here? 72. And here we are with 82 and 92. So if you look at everything that's circled, it looks like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And it's going right in order. So now I have some hundreds, but I am still counting by 10. So here it starts with 201, and we end at 151. So because it starts at 201, I know 201 is greater than 151. So I must be counting backwards because here I'm starting with a number that's greater and I'm ending with a number that's lesser than. So 201, 191, something's going to go here, here, and here. So I notice that 1 stays the same. And because I'm going backwards, this is going to be 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. And there the 1 stays the same. So what's changing here is I have 0. Here I have 9. and I'm looking in my tens place. Eight. So I'm going to have 181. 0, 9, 8, 171. 0, 9, 8, 7. Remember, I'm looking in my tens place. And then 161. So I have 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So there's the pattern. I just counted by 10, going backwards. So the last thing we're going to do, we haven't done this in a while, what place is it in? So remember, we have to read the number to ourselves. Then we have to name the value and the place of the underlying digit. So my example here, I have 142. The place is the hundreds place, and the value is 100. So the next number is 415. The place that is underlined is the tens place. And the value of that 10 is 10. Next, we have 121. The place is the, like our example, the hundreds place. Always use what you have around you to help you. So we saw our example, it was underlined there. So it's underlined here, hundreds, and it is 100. That's the value. And here again, I have an underline in the tens place. But the value is absolutely 0. Wow, what good work today. We did what place is it in, we ordered numbers, and we used that place value chart to help us look at patterns to see less than. Excellent work today. You are a budding genius. Ta-ta. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.